All right, so I got this Whirlpool here, and let me show you why you want a Whirlpool over really a Samsung or an LG. This particular Whirlpool was good, except for one thing. The lock switch has gone bad. So what would happen during the spin cycle, the red lock button that's normally here would turn off. The dryer would quit spinning. The lock, which is about right here, would sort of make this click, 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 click sound, and the clothes would be left in there sort of wettish, not all the way wrung out, because it didn't spin all the way because the lock malfunctioned and didn't lock all the way. I'm going to go ahead and replace the lock switch, and let me show you how easy this is on these Whirlpools. They're incredibly easy to work on. This one is of course unplugged, as you can tell, as I am outside. So let's go ahead and get this done. So for this particular washer, I'm not going to do any time lapsing, just to show you how fast it is in real time. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, 5 screws for this metal casing here that's going to show us where the control panel is, and then 2 for the lid. So let's go ahead and get these out. Every single one of these is just 1/4 inch. I'm going to take this off here. I'm going to put all my screws in it so I know where they're all at. Lift at the bottom, sort of pull towards yourself. We're exposed. Here's our clip. Here's our clip for the lock switch. Press it, pull down. The lid itself, I'm going to push forward and then lift up on the front. So push forward. I'm going to walk around. Let me change camera angle. Lift and sort of slide back at the same time. And it's up. And here is our lock. Let me show that. And here is our lock. So let's go ahead and get this worked out. All right, so our lid is open, as you can see, with just a paper clip. We're going to get this out of here. So get in here, sort of hold some pressure on it, and push and smash, and push and smash again, and we're free of that. Now I've got 2 little metal clips here. I'm going to have to sort of fandangle around. There we go. If I can get it out of there. Let me get a screwdriver in there. There's that one. And that one is, I dropped the Allen wrench through the washer. Good job. And then we got this little clip here with our hand on the other side. You just sort of squeeze it and it pops out. Set it down. Remember our plug. Actually, let me change this camera. All right, so here's our plug. Sort of undo it through all of our clips and things. Which this clip doesn't want to let go. There we go. Let's run it back through the front and get our new one ready to go. All right, so everything is unclipped. There's the old one. Just gonna throw it down in the washer. Ooh, that was definitely smart of myself. Hope I didn't break things on that one. Go ahead and get the new switch. Right, so let's go ahead and get our new one back on there. Gotta sort of remember how it went. I'm backwards. There we go. There we go. Thanks, lid. There he goes. That click means success. All right, without the help of our trusty Allen wrench, see if I can get these back in. That one's in. That one's in. I'm gonna push this back in our hole after I feed it through. Getting a little bit of ahead of myself. There we go. Pushed back in the hole. All right, let's go to the back. All right, so now that we're in the back, go ahead and feed it back through both of our little clips here. There's our first one. I think I might have just smashed it down. There we go. There's our second one. Here we go. And push it back in. All right. Now we're ready to button everything back up. And that's it. So let's button everything back up. All right, so from here, we're just gonna go ahead and set the lid down, pull towards us, so that we can get everything set right, and then smash back. And that's the lid back on. All right, so now that we're on the back, put the back on just like we got it off, sort of up and in. Let's go ahead and just start tightening stuff down. Use all the torques. Every single torque you want, just go ahead and use it. And that is changing a lock switch on one of these old Whirlpools. And that is how you change a lock switch on one of these old Whirlpools. Hope it helps. Thank you much.